They clinched for the first time in 6 years. Now the Clippers want more. On the road Wednesday night, taking on the Denver Nuggets, where it was Hoops for Troops night in Denver. Pick up the action in the third quarter. Tight game. Clippers up by 3, looking for more. Chris Paul delivers. He had 9 points in the third, 21 for the game. On the other end, Ty Lawson caught fire. He scored Denver's first 11 points in the fourth. They were up by 5. Now it's CP3 distributing. Oh, the big-time throwdown. Blake Griffin getting angry at the rim. He had just 12 points, but that one tied it at 87. On the other side, Denver now down by 5 until Kenneth Faried gets the hoop and the foul. Faried 12 points, Denver within 2. Here Chris Paul trying to seal it off target. Kenyon Martin, right place, right time. His first rebound of the game. The tip-in does it. It puts LAC up by 2. Now trying to tie the game, Ty Lawson is denied entry. By guess who? Kenyon Martin doing it on both sides of the ball. Clippers win at 104-98. They've won 13 of 15 and 5 in a row.